Hasteo Shopimani Yagulo, Fash Halo, IGM Shakam Dogni Vaccination Center no Bere Naika, Hakotoni Industries Te Commerce Bedegni Union Minister Shomprokas, Hasteni Vaccination Shamung Butangno, Nugu Khafurzangmani Kok Shaka, Hakotoni Industries Te Commerce Bedegni Union Minister Shomprokas.
Hakotorni Montri Bokrok Nindagi Mumbai, Shangrong Shalo Hasteo Pai Shop Paimani, Hakotorni Industries Te Commerce Bedekni Union Minister Shomprokas, Hasteo Shop Paimani Yaglop Hastalo, IGM Shakamnogni Vaccination Center no Berawinaika, Hakotorni Industries Te Commerce Bedekni Union Minister Shomprokas, Hasteni Vaccination Shamung Batangno Nugui Kapurjakmani Kokshaka, Hakotorni Industries Te Commerce Bedekni Union Minister Shomprokas, Koktuma Thonai Rokni Biskango Union Minister Shomprokas Shaka. Tripura Hasteo Tabuk Shak Jora 97% vaccination complete Khaizaka Hakotorni Mungbutango Kujugo Tongo Tripura Biskang Shalo Joto Beremni Nangmani Chubasu Khaizak Nai Hanai Shaka Hakotorni Industries Te Commerce Bedekni Union Minister Shomprokas.
Purpose of my visit to this place, Tripura, Agartala is that government is giving attention that entire northeast states should have should be special attention to be given. Prime Minister has asked all the ministers to visit northeastern states. So last time I went to Guwahati, now I am in Agartala reviewing the various schemes of the development scheme, all the industry doing. Yesterday I had a meeting with the industries. What are their problems? We have listened to them and tried to solve that. Whatever their problems they have solved. Yes, today I am visiting this vaccination camp. The reply is doing wonderfully well. 97% vaccination has been done here. They are one of the most leading states in India. So I also visited one bottling plant which is being started here. That's also good development. So purpose of the visit is that Prime Minister has instructed all the ministers to visit the place and see that development takes place there. So that was the only purpose of it.
Raja Khor Ogli Nishmi Pranab Nikok Thum Chini Khorang.